How to fix a puncture repair on a pushchair. Let's take a look what comes inside the puncture repair kit. You've got your glue, chalk, you've got a crayon, sandpaper, and your plasters, your patches that's going to go over. This is the paperwork that comes with it. Little demonstration on the back. First, I dig a flathead screwdriver underneath the tyre through to the other side and just slightly angle it so I can get a good grip on it and start to peel it off of the wheel. Pull the inner tube out away from the tyre. Now we'll attach the pump. So we'll pump the tyre up. Get yourself a bowl of water and undo the pump. Place the inner tube into the water and we're looking for bubbles from air escaping out of the inner tube. As you go round, moving the inner tube into the water, you'll see when the bubbles come into the water, here you've got the air escaping.
I can see the hole, can you? There you go.
You get my chalk. Once you know where the hole is, dry the inner tube off and mark with chalk around the hole. Now we use the sandpaper to roughen up the surface of the inner tube to then apply the glue onto. Add glue on top of and around the hole. Make sure to wait a minute or so before applying the patch. Open the packaging and apply the patch on top of the glue. Press firmly and make sure the patch is pushed down on top of the glue. We left this patch to dry for a while, then we peeled back the top layer. Yeah. Place the inner tube inside the tyre. Line up the tyre and the wheel and simply pull back into place, moving your way around the tyre. Now attach your pump, pump your tyre up. And you're good to go, job done. Thanks for watching.